But basically I slicked it back with some leave-in conditioner and some oil. And I put a scarf on it over it, you guys. And here is the slick back. Y'all, wait till you get into this ponytail. Where is it? Where is it? Ooh, the ponytail is right. I should be ashamed. Hi curl friends. Okay, let's jump right into this chunky twist out. I always begin by doing my hair with brushing the sides of my hair or any hair that can't fit into a ponytail. Then I section out the back, which is the shortest part of my hair. Today's twist out, I'm using Cream of Nature Pure Honey Twisting Cream. I use a denim brush to brush the back of my hair. Then I spray with my aerosol water bottle. I separate out the back of my hair into two big pieces. Now remember, this is a chunky twist out. I want large, fluffy curls. So that's why you'll see here that I'm only separating this out into two pieces. One product I forgot to show is that I'm using the Bodyworks Hibiscus and Honey Hair Tonic. I love this. It's an oil-based spray and it's really good to help coat and protect the ends of your hair and add shine to your twist out. It's important to note that, as you saw in the beginning of the video, my hair is completely dried and stretched out. This is so that the curls can be elongated and to prevent shrinkage. It's important to note that I only spray my hair just enough so that the twisting cream can absorb back into my hair. I love this shot because here you can see that my hair is completely dried and it's really stretched out. It even looks as if I blow dried my hair. All I did was, as you saw in the first part of the video, was slick my hair back into a ponytail, let it dry for 24 hours, and then I did the twist on dry hair. You can see that there's almost no shrinkage, even when I apply the water, which is important, you guys, because when you apply the water, don't oversaturate the hair, especially if you're looking for a longer curl. Front, typically I would have about one, like I said before, 1, 2, 3. This section right here would have been braids 4 and 5. This I would have broken into 2, and same thing with this section. It would have been broken up into 2. But instead, I'm combining this for one section here, and then one large twist here. So I should have some chunky twist outs tomorrow. Okay, let's finish up. Here are the finished twists. You'll see how long they are. You'll see that my hair actually looks dry. Is no dripping of excess product or water. This is very good if you want longer curls or if you struggle with shrinkage. So be sure to stretch out your hair. The last step is to spray your hair with some type of oil, or if you don't have an oil spray, you could put it in your hands and then seal in that moisture from the cream. This is my favorite part of a twist out, the takedown. I'm using Floetry Oh Baby hair oil. I love this stuff, you guys, but if you don't have to use this brand, you could use any brand of hair oil. The major key is don't take down your hair without having oil on your fingertips. So to take down your hair, go ahead and split apart the twist. Go ahead and rub the oil in. Your hair should feel very smooth and it should almost feel like your twists are about to come out or be straightened. Then you just separate out each individual curl, re-wrapping the curl around your finger in order to prevent frizz. Focus on the bottoms or the ends of your hair because that's where frizz tends to take. This is my last twist and I wanted to show you guys how big this is and chunky. So I'm just going to take it apart and you can see
huge. These are huge chunks, look at that. To have a looser curl. And you can see through here, my curls are nice and loose. They're big.
As time goes by.
Okay? And they're really soft. Alright, so to take this apart, I'm just gonna smooth it down some so that it's like almost unraveling itself, but it's a smoothing process. Once that's done, I'm just gonna take it and separate it out. Okay, as you separate it out, you're gonna twist to reduce the frizz. You're gonna twist. Work that oil in, smooth it out some more. Twist. Twist.
Separating out the curls with the pick and creating volume is my favorite part. The key to successfully creating volume is to not run the pick throughout your entire hair, only concentrating on lifting from the roots.
So this, you guys, is on top of using the pick, I like to go through with my fingers, and I just use the fingertips of my hair, and I like to lift with my fingertips. And at the same time, I'm gonna be massaging my scalp. This helps to loosen up the curls even more from the root, because sometimes I feel like a pick makes my hair a little frizzy. So if I spread my fingers out, it's kind of like a large pick, and I just kind of pull from the root. I'm gonna get underneath here, especially the back, because the curls are so small, so I don't need to really like do a lot because I want those to be more defined. But see, I could just pull from the root. It's almost like pulling, I never wore a wig, but I mean, it's kind of like pulling your wig, I guess, but it's actually your hair. I'm gonna pull that up, and then I'm gonna reach in here and get my scalp massage going. There we go. There we go. Try to lift the back just as much as I lift the front here.